Welcome to our comparison of two powerful AMD processors, the Ryzen 5 5600X and the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D. In this video, we'll dive deep into their specifications, features, and performance to help you determine which one is the best for your computing needs. The Ryzen 5 5600X is known for its excellent gaming performance at a budget-friendly price, while the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D boasts cutting-edge technology and superior performance. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X offers solid gaming capabilities with its 6 cores and 12 threads, making it a great choice for budget-conscious gamers. It features a boost clock of 4.6 GHz, allowing for smooth gameplay in most titles. On the other hand, the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D takes performance to the next level with its 8 cores and 16 threads, coupled with advanced 3D V-Cache technology. This architecture enhances gaming performance significantly, making it ideal for high-end gaming and content creation. If you're looking for the best performance, the 7800X 3D clearly stands out. Price is always a crucial factor when selecting a processor. The AMD Ryzen 5 5600X is priced at $299, making it an attractive option for gamers who want great performance without breaking the bank. In contrast, the Ryzen 7 800X 3D comes with a higher price tag of $449. While it offers superior performance, the increased cost may not be justifiable for all users. Therefore, if you're on a budget, the 5600X is a compelling choice, while the 7800X 3D is for those who demand the best. The architecture of a processor greatly influences its performance and compatibility. The Ryzen 5 5600X is based on the older AM4 socket, which limits future upgrade options. Conversely, the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D utilizes the latest AM5 socket, allowing for better future-proofing and access to newer technologies. This architectural advancement not only enhances performance but also provides support for features like PCIe 5.0 and faster memory speeds. If you're looking for longevity and cutting-edge technology, the 7800X 3D is the way to go. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X and the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D have their strengths and weaknesses. The 5600X is an excellent choice for budget gamers, providing solid performance at a lower price. However, if you're seeking top-tier performance willing to invest more, the 7800X 3D is unmatched in its capabilities. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.